Corey, what are you doing today?
I'm working on the roof.
And what is today?
I don't know.
I'm not sure either.
April 25th.
Okay, April 25th, and we are still working on sealing everything. Yesterday we took the awning down to get a better look at it because we're going to replace it, and I sewed a new strap for it. This will be shorter once we're done with it, but that allows us to pull it down and back up. Of course, we still have to replace the awning, which maybe today, you think?
We'll at least get it pulled down and start cleaning some things up. There's hardware that we need to get.
Well, I mean to take it off, not put a new one up.
Separate place. So, yeah, just at least dismantle it and clean it up and get ready to put the other one back in.
Yeah. That'll be exciting. That'll allow you to seal the roof even better.
Yeah.
It'll help you seal this window up here because
I just can't get around it right now.
Yeah, it's a little too tight to be able to seal that. So once we get the awning down, he can work on that. We can also work on making sure all of these are a little bit more secure.
Yeah,
the arms.
These are kind of pulling away a little bit. All the rails and everything sealed in. And that way we can finish scrubbing, cleaning all this up to where it has, because right now it's just
a lot of oxidation.
Yeah, and as it's coming off, nothing's going to stick to that, so we need to scrub it all the way down. Get it.
I started on the front already.
Yeah.
Up to the midsection.
Right. So you can see that kind of the transition between here and over there. So get the roof clean. We'll do a few test places to see if it gets good adhesion, and then we'll reseal the whole roof.
Woohoo!
I'm also working on electric at the same time. We'll get seals put on these. This one might actually get a camera instead of the light.
Oh, that's right. We've got the camera.
Yep.
One of the first things we purchased because we didn't think we really needed much. It's like, oh, we'll get a new awning and a new camera and paint some stuff.
Getting the seals all the way around the back.
So I've been working on this pathway to lead to the trailer. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.